Right, Vibes in 5, Ghana's first social media celeb talk show. The name Arnold Mensalavan. You can always call me, bro, you see me? Big shouts to you, wonderful viewers, because you keep it going and you keep the platform #1. The whole of Africa, we're taking over. Big shouts going out to Edidas Akins, director numero uno. Big shouts to legend, to you, Sat, Brown, Vanny, Tomica. Also going out to you. Lazarus is here in the studio, so a big shouts going out to you, Lazarus. Lazarus. My guest, again, it's coming all the way from Salaga. And I need to say good evening going out to you, Black Rasta, the Salaga soldier. I appreciate you, big man. Senior colleague in the industry. When you hear Salaga, you hear Black Rasta. Chief, Akwaba, you are welcome.
Thank you.
The name is Nana Chaprekun. Cut it one time. Nana Chaprekun. Please tell mommy to, handle kid better. Nana, Akwaba biem.
Say.
Handle the boko.
Alhamdulillah, you don't miasi.
Akwanswe.
Oh, you don't miasi. Inshallah. Yesu ya babe durasunje. Na boni biya ni ho.
Wona we ye, I mean, one of the Nana no more mabet na ha, mumfab niyama bebre engu omukomu.
Allah akbar.
Di intina udia niyama nundoso sa. Why don't you have a lot of things around your neck?
Yeah. Unim say, ewiasi. Obia na ne die.
Right.
Say the etna we obia ne edin die ewo no so.
Right.
Ana aduro so. Enye say wofa aduro bebre ade ye hu na ye aduro.
It is not the number of things you have around your neck that shows how powerful you are.
To say the etna we. Obi bet me betna say. Na no hu nyina ye aduro. Bet ba kun kura ntimi ye adwuma. What you say on enti your papa ana yewo de munye papa. What you say on
right.
Because obi wo ho to say ni fie die. Wotu saa nema no awo ni fie. Ana obi so wo ho. To say wokọ bibi koji ntoro. What you say on enti wodi saa nema no bae no. Onu de wo hwe say nema no nyina ya adwuma. But na yes say ntro no kata
Ntro. So there are people who go for lies and come and sit and spew lies.
So sana me kire wo no. Ana obi so wo ho. Wanyini fie. Atu ade no na ade no ye wo nana de. Na eno no se wudi ntro a sa ade no enjae wo. What you say on? To enti ye no. Ye sorry. Ahu say ye papa katasa nema no.
Right.
Ana ye papa sawu ajai nema na amaye. What you say on? Eno nema na ye kata no.
Eno ne niama amukuta. So that's what you have. Yours is from the house.
Me dey ye fie.
And papa, real. Is it real? Is it original?
Papa. Because say they make kawe. Me pesa me nkasa bebiri, but me pesa me nkasa kakra.
Right.
Because na adwuma de me ye no. Me ye no to say me wo fie na nipa ba, de wo hia nyina na me mbo sa nipa no. Ana me fie de wo fie no. Ana mo kire me say nipa bebire piemboa. Enti eye say yen yi yo hu kire nipa. Na nipa mbra. Be hun be bia no kore wo. What you say on? Entina misumi.
You see, I am here because there's so much power in my house that we use to help people or that we use to find solution to people's problems. But nipa obia say a solution. Everybody says they have solution. In fact, I had lots of people sit in this chair who claim they have solutions, but still people have problems. How do we know or tell that yours is proper?
Okay. The entire American sound. When you say we are see there, and any papa can there. To say they me bawi.
Yeah.
Me and Kasa would say, where you say, Debbie. Say they me bawi. Sanipa frame ya. Say Sanipa frame ana me ya juma manwa. Say ye papa ubeti.
Yeah.
Say enye papa swa say ubeti. To eno na ube hun say. Nipa de omu ba ha no de omu ye papa ni.
Right.
De omu nye papa ni.
Right.
What you say on?
Right.
And he said de wo ho no.
So based on feedback, you'll be able to tell the proper ones from the fake ones. That is all Nana Chaprekun saying.
Yeah.
Right.
And na me kire wo say me nkyerɛ sɛ obi we enye o but nipa de ombe yi adwuma awo ye nkyɛn no ama nipa de ombe frɛ no omo no ombe kyerɛw sɛ nipa papa nie
right
so what you say ana ombe sa kyerɛw sɛ nipa we wonya papa what you say o to say the tie no
obi ba hanom someone came here and said oyera ye ekopie nsu ase got missing and appeared under the sea. Someone also came here and said, as for him, he can fly. Obetimi to ako krobia asu owiase mu. Obi nso say, someone also said, she flies on leather and drops people in countries of their destination. Me paucho, edian na wo so temi ye. What are you also able to do?
Say the tie no. They say nipa de wo kyerɛ sɛ wɔyera akɔnsiom no.
It is there. People
but
get
nipa ba na mutimi yesa.
It's just a few people who are able to go under the sea.
Because said the tie no. They say the mini wo kasa we.
Right.
Deɛ wo dem nyina me ma wie ni nyina.
Whatever is in my room, you have stolen all. Where we are ni nyina na.
Ma wie ni nyina. Ma hu bibia.
Where hu bibia wo me dem.
What you say on? Na deɛ wo hu nyina ma wie ni nyina.
Wait. As we speak, you know everything in my room.
Ninyina.
Everything.
Ninyina.
And you know everything on me.
Sesia
yet.
They won't hunyina. And I said they would now so bet me a chair we are ready also.
Oh.
What you say?
Na say eno de ubet me aka because you can say it because it's a minim yare woman so na wo kan me dan ka
bi. Sa yare no ne wo so a. Sa yare no etimi how. What you say? Enti na me kyerɛw sɛ mbetimi a kyerɛw yare de wo so. Be say me kyerɛw sɛ yare de wo so nie. Na sa de no how a.
Enti no let's leave the yare, let's leave the sickness and talk about the things in my room.
Yeah.
You say you can see everything in my room and you can see everything on me now.
Yeah.
What do you see on me? Ede na ewo me ho.
De ewo ho no. Said they what na we no.
Right.
Fie de wo free no.
Yes.
Busu fie.
The house I come from is a God's house, or how do you say? Is it a fie bia busum wo ho? So I agree. Yes, every house has a God.
Na mo fie no. Sa busu no. Mutimi sie busu no ahibia.
Mutimi that one too, well, I don't know. Now I don't know. But I know that if a family has gods,
who person won hwehwe no a, hwehwe no papa fie.
Yes, na se busum ne de ewo family ni mu a.
De me kire we no.
Yeah.
Wonnim no enye se mi na be kire wo. Efru papa fie.
Yes, it's from my father's side.
Na sa ayi no so wonnim ayi no asam. Anka sa de no ni ho a, anka se de mi wo tena we. Anka se bere wo wonni ho a.
Nkamawu.
Nkamawu.
Had it not been for that thing,
idea no so
right.
Enya idea the SI family.
It doesn't destroy family.
A idea the Ichichir family. What you say?
Wow. A idea and say family.
Family.
The thing in my house, it doesn't destroy family.
No.
It brings families together.
So, enti we no me pese me kire we ansa na me nkɔ. But the me pese me kire we say would see a yentro a be kire wo nema de omudi yesa nema no.
Wow.
But enye enu na di me buy.
Enye enu na di o buy.
But say bi pia enye say me kire wo.
E was say utimi kire. Okay, there is
aso me pese me kire say ana wo tiri yare.
Me wo tiri yare.
Yare.
But well, meeting time pay me.
Utiri pay o.
Miti
utiri pay o.
Meeting time pay me.
Me ba. Utiri pay o. Utiri pay o.
Okay, ye wo tipaye bia etimi ba won shedan feeli. Ye wo tipaye bia e ba won Philippines na na.
Won Philippines.
Ana me Philippines no.
Won Philippines.
Say miti pay me.
Utiri pay o pa. Wonim sia na eti no ko fom.
Miti I don't know. Hardly meeting time pay me. Bia
me kire say utiri pay wo da bia.
Okay. Okay, cause meeting pay me
sir. Utiri pay wo.
Okay. A woman miti pie me. Once in a while.
Yare.
A woman miti pie me.
Na sa e tiri pie no so. Se be start wo ha.
Me ha migraine. Sa okay. Wow.
Na enye kata o.
Enye kata. Eye etipayan kasa.
Enu na mpese me kire sesia ansana
na twapre
mi kire wo fie de wo ho no se wo fie no ma kire wo sa na ma no
ensai right
sa na ma no yete se bambo no mudi mpanyinfo no di gumu fie enti wo de ne be can face
okay
ansana me nto aso
okay yankoso menya atena ha de family de awde be ye bia family de awde be ye bia
na ewiase no ye wo papa for
yeah
na ye wo de amunye papa
we have those who are bad and we have the good people
enti na me kire wo say de me ba we
right
say me ye papa o be frɛ wa kire wo
yeah
say
we ye boni so
ye boni a
on be frɛ
wa kire wo
yes
because ende me baby ami ya adwuma no me gini pasika
you don't take money from
no say wo frɛ me say wo pe adwuma mbe kire wo say mami wudin
right
wonya mami wudin a me mpehwi
so all you need when the person calls is the person's name that's all
edin keke na me pe
right
say menya di no a ade tu mpanyinfo nim mpanyinfo no mbe kire de ekoso bia na me mfrɛ wo na me nkire wo say akokɔ de beto yesa adwuma no a say wo nipa de obeba soma nipa no mbra say wo si wonni nipa de obeba boni bia ne ho mi mbe ya adwuma no amawo be say wo bibia mi ya aduro na me fa mani car ana me fa mani plane na nko wo nche mi you don't give items to car or plane to deliver to anyone. No.
Wonya sa.
Me nyasa.
E di entina wonya sa.
Thank you very much. The entina me chere say me nyasa no. Adwuma de me ye na e fi adwuma.
So my work is from the house.
Ana me su me gi adwuma ni di
and I believe in the work.
Ana se sia so me chere say na me pese ade no ye mami a sa na be ye mami.
And if I tell my girls to do this for me, that is what they will do.
Se sia wo white police that say yard ba ko a suma akwala no for white police no go to them. No pay them, no lock them no.
If you have white polyester, send a child to go and put it to your room and lock the room and come out.
To dia me ka no me kama won kasa no
mi ankasa wo kama mi ankasa say me white polyester 1 yard e wo fia
yeah
me ma obi mfa nkoto dem mo mami sesi a ye kase
ya sesi na ye kasa say me ni wo dem
yes
me ni bo fie
yes
but me hu wo dem
hu me dem
what you say
wow
ana dia wo ho before na me start adwuma no
right
to say bambo what to say abuchire ana bebia wo bia
wherever you are
but say wo abuchire o pese wo mbra menchi a wo betimi aba
okay
say wo Ghana so a wo pese wo mbra wo de bra but say wo ntimi mba sa police town
yeah
we fatu
you put if you are unable to come to me you put the polyester in the room okay fatu them
say wo be ba menchi a jai
if you come to me don't do so the polyester is for people who cannot come to you physically. Okay, good.
Enti say bambo na wo pe.
If you want protection.
Say me ya adwuma na wi a. Mpanyinfo kasa be paja sa nema no awo mi nchen o. Akotu sa police stand so.
Wow. So if it is protection you need, as soon as I am done performing the rituals for you in my Salaga shrine, the gods themselves will pick what I have done and make it appear on the polyester in your room.
Hey, adwuma bia na wo pe. Na wo frɛ. Sa na on be ye no. Enti me mpese me ntwontro sɛ me ko posti aduro ama wo awabuchire.
So you
na me ndane ntrofo me yes.
You don't post medicine, you don't post anything, you don't send by car, by DHL, you don't do those things. Wo de na mpanyifo na nkasa be pepeja na omo de ko. So yours is transported by the spirits themselves, the gods themselves. Ni nyina no.
Na de mu bedi na mu fa na ma no koye no. Se be ya adwuma no ase ya akokɔ na ekuma akokɔ nda ya adwuma na wi a sa akokɔ no moja no mbedi ade sa ne ma no ade kokoma.
Oh, I see. So whatever animal was slaughtered for your work, it is the blood of that animal the spirits will consume as they journey to bring your job to you in whichever country you are.
Sa pepe. Na boni
Wow.
bia ne ho.
Boni bia ni ho.
Enti said me kire we. Me person me nkasa asam no ma wo.
Pachoka mame.
Because nipa be frew.
Yes.
What you say won? Nipa be frew a che say die me ka we no. Sa pepe na ntro ni ho.
Na natural preko.
Na se si aso se nipa te say wo abuchire. Na te say paper na asam ye di ma wa. Se wo nya start paper no a. Na asam ye different.
Right.
Se wo koye process no a na papers na nya mpie ba. Mbet mi a kire we eda. Na me ma no paper white police no. Akoto edem no. Na wo local edem no. Na me ma say 30 minutes say 10 minutes and be kire wo. What you say? Na wo ba mpanyimfo be kokoyi. So far as wo ma wie but wo paper no. But wo ma wo time there. Ade no on be fa ade no ma wo no.
Right.
Insha Allah nyame tumi ne panyimfo ntumi. On be kokoyi sa karata no nyina be tu sa police no so. What you say? We enye say nipa ba ko na nipa mesa na nipa menan da be.
Let me explain. He's saying that if you live outside, you know, documentation issues are a lot, you know. If you've already started the process, he has a way he deals with it. If you haven't started to, he has a way he deals with it. However, if you have started the process and you contact him, he will be able to tell you the exact time, day and date your document to be ready, and the spirits themselves will go to the home office, snatch the document from the home office workers, and come and put it on the white polyester for you to see in your room. Wow. But how is this possible, Nana Chapreku, with all due respect?
Okay.
How?
Se wo pese wo no a enti na me kire se ndi suma fi akwala wo fi no for white polyester ko tu o dem se sia let me kire wo example.
Now he's saying that if I want to know how true it is, I should send someone in my house to go and put white polyester in my room to be able to see something. But as a matter of fact, there is no one at home and I don't have white polyester. So this example, dear, please forgive me. I won't be able to let him do it for me. Aha. Obianifi.
Obianifi won.
Right.
Okay, Mati why? Inshallah, say ombe frew.
Yes.
A kire wo. Because say dem yi adwuma no. Say nipa ye papa, ombe kire wo.
Yes. Eye
boni so a ombe kire wo. To say dem no kasa we. And then Asia.
Yeah.
Wonnim me.
Yeah.
Me so me nim.
Yeah.
But baby me da, metimi hunu. Say be ba wo channel no so.
Who die no, you knew.
Yeah. Say be ba wo channel no so.
You saw it.
Ana de sa wo ho ye say. Ewi asigisa motre. Yo wo nipa bibiri, omu obuchire.
Right.
Omu sika sam enkoyi. Enye say omu yi adwuma wo, omu yi adwuma. Omu nye sika bibiri. Be sika no entimi ngina omu nsem. Se omu yi one cedi a mframa be fat say 10 million awas asika mu.
Oh.
Na no no de be ade. Na no no efie o. Sometimes you will nipa bi omu wo fie.
Yeah.
Omu di ahwehwem anamu kan say
Mirror. We have some people who have mirror at home.
Omu di mirror ntu say. Ombe fre kofi. Ana Jamal. De wo abuchire ye nyina me pese me hu na wo mirror we.
Right.
No mu hu papa de wo abuchire.
Some people are able to call you from wherever you are and they see you in their mirror.
No mu ko pe akokokoko
And then they will go and look for red fowl.
Abe kumasa ade no.
And then they will kill it for that thing.
Ebe for me atade.
It will form a dress.
Na atade no so ye baye tade.
And then the dress is witchcraft dress.
na baye tade no na move aha akọ ko hyesa nipa na wo abuchire.
So with this witchcraft dress that has been formulated with red fowl blood will move from here and go and fall on the body of the person they want to destroy.
So sa nipa no,
and that person,
the
person can never prosper again.
Look
for money and look for money and look for money.
And I will nipa bia wo abuchire sesia.
Some people have given birth abroad.
But
they can't even see their children.
There be
Abayaje. It is from the house. It is not the government per se. It is from your own house.
And
some people have given birth abroad, and all the children are excused
because said my problem. Check 10 times.
You've solved more than 10 of such problems.
To empty a the
world doesn't belong to one person.
For you, me say, me, who, chire a man for, ne dear, how me na, no for the hobra.
So you have solutions to help. Nana Trapreko. Before ye in commotion baby, you know, I want you to say we see me demo. Now, mention some things in my room so that I will confirm or deny, so that people will know that when you said you are seeing my room, I didn't let you just say it.
Said it one. Men person men kasa bebiri.
Yeah.
Me kasa kakra.
Kakra.
What
is that? Bibi kakra.
Me patcho wan. Suma akwala we wo dem wan.
Right.
No wura wo dem. Wo wuru a one share right. What is? Obe won fridge bi sisi ho. Drink kokko no won yi brem na minum.
I don't keep drink per se in my room.
Drink kokko no won yi brem na minum.
Drink ben because me no munsanti, there's no drink in my room.
Enya nsan o. Enya nsan asam.
What drink is it?
A drink.
There's drink.
Drink no. Na enya bottle.
Enya bottle. It's not a bottle drink.
Yes.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Na enya bottle. But a can.
Can drink.
Can drink.
Can
drink.
Can
drink no so.
Yeah.
Na energy one. For you
energy drink. Nana Trapreko.
What you say?
Charlie, you go my house. Enti. But there's no can drink though.
Enti.
Wow.
Dear hono.
Enti nana how we are in the day now who me them.
Say the tieno.
We are in the day now who me.
Say enema de yakata to say said ye bahan. Say share nipa bebre no munya nipa. What you say? Enti enye obia na ye nipa. But we be share no say. Na won say sa nipa we ye nipa. Wo dwuni say we nipa. But enye nipa.
Enye nipa.
Enti eni.
Now sometimes eni etimi disappointing mo. Is the eye able to disappoint you sometimes? It sees things that are not there, or it sees wrongly. I'm saying this based on one
thing. One duru baby aye wono. Onu asam no.
Okay.
But said ye
baby awe do no there.
Me duru no there.
Eni intimin that. At your level, you can't see wrong.
No. Eni intimin that.
And you can't mistake.
Any hobby, anyhow.
Wow.
One way.
Yes.
When me person me nchire say. When na masasa.
Okay.
What you say? But never way. Bet me can say. Nyini ache me na what can say?
Your great grandfather. This is older than your great grandfather.
Sana me chire wo
nana your grandfather.
Sadia way grandfather. And nanti nipa mensan so na eba me so 4.
This has worked on 3 generations. You are the 4th one. Sadia.
And this said the way tie.
But and looking old, it doesn't look old.
And na me chire wo say we no
what's the sound leather no or you change the leather but the stick
and bibia no
4 generations.
Yeah. Nipa 3 no makata na be 2
ansa na abeto so we need 4th one.
Me na here 4.
E dey na here what does it do?
We no eya adwuma bebri
Okay.
To say wo tuo sesi a wo de fa tuo no bra sesi a. A say wo tuo awa ha wo de mo fa tuo no bra. Wo fa tuo no a wo de gina ha say no man nipa no bo no hwe.
Embo.
Na sesi a so say me one way. We. Say pese asundwe mbra. E betimi ama na asundwe bra. Say em pese asundwe bra. You bet much chiri obia wo so.
You can tie everybody on this padlock.
Enye edi. Enye edi na mbe frɛ wo.
Enye edi.
Wonya kan Ghana fo nyina sɛ wo nyina wo ha no.
O betimi achichiri Ghana fo nyina wo padlock.
You bet me achichiri
obia e wo ho.
We the entina eda so wo ha no. Asam. Ntina ye lock no. Yem bie no yasam
mum bie no yasam nti bibi nti na etesa
ya chichiri asam de ebe ba no what you say enti na da so ho no
obetimi a chichiri Ghana fo nyina wo this
obia
every Ghanaian onto this padlock
omunyina say wo be kasa membo obia din wo
right
be se wonya wo Ghana de asem me kan Ghana fo nyina say wo so wo Ghana
yeah mo Ghana
obia be ba ha
really
enti boni nye say be di boni a enye easy but papa na ehia
pacho ye
papa na ye die ye ndi boni na ye so ya adwuma mu yonkunipa
na trapreko baby ankomo na edui I'm sure say ehfa na wo
me was Savannah region
Salaga
ya Salaga na me wo
na obi hia wo ebisa wo nsem a
yeah
eno nso ye be ne den
se obi hia me abisa me asam so obeba boni bia ne ho
okay
wonya fa ka abesi kumase a afa ka abesi yaji wataren si onu aka ka ho wo si obekọ Salaga oho ni Salaga ye 10 cities
on dem meba na ye hia wo nso number be ne ye frɛ
betimi afrɛ 055 00 30 711
again
ana 055 00 30 711
right
ana yesa wo 054 39 42 824
again
ana 054
right.
39 42 824
ha
wo frɛ ni nyina inshallah ebeba mi nche wa
nti Salaga na wo
Salaga me wo sami wo Salaga
nti obia hia wa ida so be frɛ o anyway di nkomo
yeah
I see
ya se obia hia me a wo frɛ me a ebebo nkomo yi na mboa de wo pɛ sɛmbetimi ayama wa be kyerɛ wo
okay
sɛmentimi yɛ so a me ntwo ntro
bibi wo ho a wontimi nyɛ
de mentimi yɛ no ade few say
kitwa bi is only a few that you can't do
de mentimi yɛ no na yɛ te sɛ enye se mentimi yɛ o me mpɛ me yɛ
you wouldn't like to do it
eno na yɛ te sɛ nipa kum
you are killing
me nipa
you don't do that
te sɛ wo fa nipa bra kumu nipa mame
or man nipa bodan mame
dabi
you don't do all
this
se
bodan dia se ma wo se de nipa ne yɛ no enye no kwansa bet ma no bodan na me ma wo time de mbesa sesa onjina yi
so you
bet
kunipa man you don't do thank you never menku obia mo obia no men ku bia ma obia nana trapreko me da sese wenya bre enemy abetwetwe nko thank you very much for being on the platform bibi o ha person o can be
boni bia ne ho de o ho ye se de yenyina adwuma ba ko na ye yenyina yankata obotre
right
obi o ho ye papa
right
obi o ho so onye papa but abotre udi abotre a obi hu obia be hu de wo ye papa no no bia hu de wonye papa no so enti abotre na mema obia wa
right thank you very much Nana Trapreko is his name located in Salaga. He's put out his number, so if you've got some questions, I know of course I can't ask all the questions. I say this every time. I don't have all the questions in my head. I'm not repository of knowledge. So if you also have some questions to ask, I'm saying questions, you can call and ask, because matters of the spirit is vast and we all need knowledge to enrich our knowledge bank. That's why I keep telling you that you've got to be careful. You've got to open your eyes wide and keep your minds wide open. And whatever decision you take after watching this interview is entirely your responsibility. And Armah Salavanyo, the host, and Vibes in 5 will not be held liable for your decision after watching this interview. So please beware and act responsibly. Big shouts to Edida Azekins. Big shouts to you, Brown, Legend, Sat, and Vanny Tomika Laze. Nana chapter commit me chair.
Oh, better.
Inshallah. That's why. Interesting. We come here me there.
Okay.
Because ukasa ne vim. Ukasa any authority.
Inshallah.
And obian so de unim dia we ya ukasa
Apa.
Okay. All right, guys, we'll meet you again on our next episode. We keep bringing you interesting conversations, and this one, such conversations. We'll be back. We out.